Good morning, student. Today we start a new chapter number 13, Kinetic Theory of Gases. Chapter number 13, Kinetic Theory of Gases. This is our new chapter. In this chapter, we discuss about the motion, some laws, Boyle's laws, Charles' laws, and pressures exerted by the gases. First topic is Boyle's law. According to this law, the volume of a given gas, volume of a given mass of a gas is inversely proportional to its pressure, provided the temperature remains constant. That is V directly proportional 1 by P. We remove the proportion sign, V equals to K divided by P, or Vp equals to constant. And we draw the graph in between Vp. Then if we consider a volume on the vertical axis, horizontal axis, and pressure on the vertical axis, then the graph is like this, showing increase in volume, show decrease in pressure when temperature is constant. And the second graph is when we draw a graph in between 1 upon V and P. This is shown by a straight line when temperature should be constant. Second topic regarding this chapter is Charles' law. According to this law, the volume of a given gas, the volume of a given mass of a gas is directly proportional to its absolute temperature, provided pressure remains constant. That is, V directly proportional T, remove proportion sign, V equals to KT or V divided by T equals to K. Again, draw a graph in between V and T and V. Temperature in the horizontal axis, which is measured in a Kelvin, and volume is the vertical axis. This is shown as a straight line when a pressure should be constant. Third topic of this chapter is perfect gas equation. Perfect gas equation. According to Boyle's law, at constant temperature, V directly proportional P, equation number 1, and according to Charles law, at constant pressure, V directly proportional T, equation number 2, combine above equation and we get V directly proportional T divided by P or remove proportion constant, the V equals to constant T divided by P. Cross multiplication, Vp equals to constant, consider constant this times of R and T. Which equation is equivalent for perfect gas equation? For n moles, ideal gas equation becomes PV equals to N R and T. This is the perfect gas. Next topic is ideal gases. A gas which obeys the ideal gas equation PV and RT at all temperature and pressure is called an ideal gas or perfect gas. Next topic is assumption for kinetic theory of an ideal gases. Topic number 5 for this chapter. Assumption. Assumption for kinetic theory of an ideal gas. First assumption: all gas consist of molecules. The molecules are rigid. Elastic spheres, identical in all respects. For a given gas, and different for different gas. Number 2, the size of a molecule is negligible compared with the average distance between the molecules. Third one, the molecules are in a state of continuous random motion moving in all direction. Fourth point, during the random motion, the molecule collide with one another and with the walls of vessel. Fifth point, the collision are perfectly elastic and there are no force of attraction or repulsion. Between the molecules. Between two collisions. Number 6. Between two collisions. A molecule moves in straight path with a uniform velocity. Number 7. The collisions are almost instantaneous process. And the number 8. The collisions are in spite of number 8 in spite of molecular collision the density remains uniform throughout the gas.